Hey, what's up guys? So I thought I would put out a video just describing what you can expect from this channel going forward. There's going to be 3 main tracks that I follow, and they're more or less going to follow what I am doing personally in my development path. So I don't share much about myself and my own personal goals and stuff on this channel, but in general, what I am usually doing is learning. I'm always trying to pick up new skills and learn new things. So currently, my main focus is on building this game engine. So you see here, I've got this game engine running here. This is built in C++ and CMake. I'm going to be going through and building a tutorial series on, which I've already started on doing this specifically. And it's not just going to be building a renderer, it's also going to be building all the input subsystems and tying it in with the renderer and the game loop and all of that. So that's going to be one track of what this channel is going to do in the future. If you haven't seen it yet, there's going to be a link in the description and in probably showing up in a corner if I can get it to do that, to the first video on that, which is setting up the CMake project structure. The second track that we're going to follow is the Google Play integrations with the Godot game engine. This is less about me and more about what I've been getting requests for on the channel in general. So I know many of you have subscribed for my Godot stuff and the Android stuff in particular. I'm going to try to give you some content, but it's going to be a lot less because this is not what I'm actively doing. So you can expect the next video in this one probably, hopefully in the next month, maybe month or two. It's going to be a slightly longer video than the next thing on my list. So finally, the last track that I'm going to follow on this channel is a basic C++ course. So the issue I've been having with learning C++, and I'm fairly decent at C++. I felt like I am missing a lot of stuff that I should know to help solve some problems that I'm running into that I know the language can solve, but I don't personally know how to do it. So I bought myself a book, Professional C++. I've heard great things about it. I've been working through it a little bit, and I thought that what I'm going to do is create a series in how to do C++ in 2021. So it's going to follow this book using all the latest suggestions on how to write C++ code. The old deprecated functions aren't going to be used anymore and stuff like that. Specifically, my first video, which will be released alongside this one, will be how to work with C++ modules. Now, modules are relatively new to the C++ scene, as in it's in the 2020 standard, and have the tool chains like CMake and all the other ones pretty much haven't really adopted it fully yet. The most stable integration of C++ modules is in the Visual Studio or the Visual C++ compiler and toolchain. So that series is going to be using Visual C++, Visual Studio C++, up until the point where CMake is integrated. Then I will follow up with how to set up your project in CMake, and we'll follow using the CMake so we can do more cross-platform module stuff. But other than the module specific stuff, everything else will be just C++ 20 standard and below. And it should work with any other compiler or any other toolchain. That being said, I hope you're excited for it. You can reach multiple different resources depending on what you're interested in the links in the places that you would normally find links. So see you next time.